Okay, we're back at my favourite dodgy road, just north of Perth. Nice and quiet. Not too much wind today. I'm still having a little bit of issues with the gimbal. So for some reason, this is pointing up all the time. Look, see how that's pointing up? And then I get overloaded issues. I can wiggle it around and it works, but if I take any bump, it just plays it up and then it flies really weird. So I think I've taken a few too many knocks to the front, but we're just going to keep riding this one until it dies. Then I'm going to get another one and I'll do the DJI refresh, what I should have done with this one. But that's the cool thing with them being relatively cheap. Going against getting the Avata at the moment, just risk reward type thing. I probably would break it, lose it, but that's the plan. I'd love to upgrade to that at some point. So goal for today is just some low road flying, practice some of those rotations around something again, maybe. That was good. And just have some fun. So I'm just going in and formatting the internal storage. So I'd recommend you keep on top of this, because if not, you just have loads of files on the drone itself, and then worst case, you run out of storage while you're flying. So I try and offload everything, so I've got it backed up at home if I need it. If she's flying okay today. Come over and see you guys. See if I can take off. So I'm in normal mode now. So let's start recording so you guys can see. So I'm in normal mode now. I'm going to turn it and then I'm going to take off or change to manual. Try and go straight forwards as I fly in manual and fast. Let's see. Nope, that did not work. Not sure what the gimbal was set at, or I just done something wrong. Hence why I'm not buying a Avata yet, like I just said. I think I just tried to be too aggressive, trying to show off. Yeah, we've got a very steep 27 degrees on the camera, but let's keep it that way. If you pitch the camera or change the camera angle, it's going to fly the drone more at an angle, so you keep the camera upright like this, which makes you go faster. But then it's harder to control in a way. So let's just see. Yeah, we're moving. Still haven't seen any more kangaroos here. I saw them on the first day as I was packing up, which was annoying because it'd be cool to get them on the drone. They were up on the hill up here somewhere, but no sign today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and come down the road away from the coast, because that's where it feels like I've got a bit of a backwind and I'm going quicker. The opposite direction doesn't feel that quick. So let's see if I can come down like so. Oh, no. It was rustling in the bushes. Ah, there's an issue. We've lost the battery and it's there. Okay, one battery, one drone. Let's see if we've got any damage. It's hit this road pretty hard. Okay, everything looks okay. Let's try taking off. Check the gimbal's happy. Yep. Okay, record. So it seems okay. Let's go manual again. Let's fly through the dump. So I'm getting pretty close to the floor, but I'm not consistently close to the floor. So I'm not hugging it. I'm sort of swooping down and going back up, I think, which is obviously signs of beginnerness. So as you're learning, it's harder to stay close to the floor all the time. Let's try that again. Oh, just skimming the floor. Yeah, that's probably one of the best yet. Bit quicker, but no idea how fast it is. I'm not looking at the numbers as I go. I don't think she's flying 100% well. I think the props probably all need changing. I probably need to clean it up, get all the sand out. But also I've just crashed it so many times now that probably she's gonna die sooner or later. Right, let's see. I'm gonna try. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I was gonna try and land well, then in manual, try and lower it down and turn off the motors at the right time, but that didn't happen. Number 1 battery pack. Okay, with this one, let's just have a little fly around, explore the area, see if we can see any wildlife, see the interesting things people are dumping down here. Okay, so I think people come 4-wheel driving down here as well, so you'll see there's lots of tracks. But it's just cool to just practice slow control flying as well. I don't really want to ditch the drone here for sure. I don't want to be going around in that bush trying to find it, but it's cool to try and go much slower. See if I can bring it right to a stop. I think that's the biggie, and then what I've struggled when I've tried to fly manual inside is that I just go too fast. So trying to learn how to go really slow and around obstacles. Once you've got that initial feel of the manual, is probably really, really important. That's why I'm enjoying going like through the trees. Careful I don't go into a bush. So yeah, it's just really hard not to get too much speed like that. And up. Let's go see the sea. She is. So it's not too windy today. I can feel it, but it's not. Let's see how much power we've got to. Whee! So it gets a bit sketchy. Oh, lost it. That happens a lot when I try and go into a dive. I think I'm doing something wrong. Going too steep, or the wind catches it, or the drone's just not meant for that. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's do one more battery. So I brought the angle down to 10, which I'm assuming will be easier to move around slow. It's not smooth. Whoops. Okay, it has to be done. Let's see if we can get through the back of the car there. Let's kind of stand over. So goal with this is to do this slowly. Let's have a go. So slow and controlled. That's not slow and controlled. Back her up. Try and get in. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that is not clean at all, but let's try again. Dodgy. 2 in a row without crashing. Just want it to be much smoother, much slower, much more. I'm not clenching everything when I go through. Right. Dodgy. Dodgy, dodgy, dodgy. But doing that in manual, it's not too bad. Hear a helicopter. Alright, that had to happen. Okay, we've got the glitch in. Okay. That's a good example of what happens when I crash and then it gets the gimbal funky and it just flickers about. Hopefully I caught that on camera so we can see it. Now we've got to try and find it. So let's hopefully let's see if the batteries come out. So let's hope. Yeah, I can hear it. It's somewhere here. So the battery hasn't come out. Still good. No snakes. Okay, that looks like it's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice. Speak to you in the next one.